Over 40 people. The company has 1,700 employees, but we've got a dedicated team of 40 people that all they do is support partners selling our products to their end customers. Because what's the best part about SaaS today? Or the most important part about SaaS today, you need to have a product that's best in breed. Right? We recently were awarded by Frost & Sullivan the 2012 Product Line Strategy Award. You have to have the best products out there.
Nice.
We've got that, right? You've got to have the best support model. So we also were recently awarded for the 5th consecutive year the Top 50 Channel Partner Program in North America. So partners that are here that are interested to put virtual meetings into their portfolio can have the confidence that they're getting best of breed. So, does that make sense?
That makes perfect sense. Lots of possibilities, it seems to me. So go to pgi.com. Say that Tom sent you and you met him at Cloud Expo via SYS-CON TV. Thanks so much. A delight to connect. Let's follow the story of PGI for the next few years. And thank you for joining us out there on the World Wide Web.
In fact, we actually today service over 35,000 customers throughout the world, including over 75% of the Fortune 100 companies in the United States today. So we are a very, very innovative company that provides virtual meeting and collaboration services for employees, constituents, members of organizations to get together and have an audio and a web or a video meeting in a virtual environment.
And how do you deal then, Tom, with the disastrous experiences that people might have had with WebEx or with name your customer? How do you overcome that? I mean, I would be a tough sell when you come and say to me, we can really do all that.
Yeah, Jeremy, it's a great question. You know, one of the most unique identifiers about PGI is that we have a sole focus on audio and web collaboration. It's the only thing that we do. Right. So we're a $500 million publicly traded company that is
doing this one thing.
Just doing this one thing. So when you concentrate on something, you're ultimate, and you really put all your efforts into it, you're going to be great at it. And over the last half a dozen years, we've created new products. One is Global Meet, which is our web collaboration product, and the other one is very exciting, iMeet, which is our desktop video product that is, quite honestly, we've figured out all the ills in the space and all the things that are boring about web meetings, that are hard to get on a meeting because of downloads, and we've taken all the great stuff and put it into a product. We've taken all the bad stuff and we've thrown it out. So I think we've spent a lot of time to make that user experience as fantastic as it possibly could be.
Well, I know that that's obviously piqued the interest of anyone watching, because we've all had that awful experience. So what should we do? What is the proof of concept? How do you win people customer by customer? I'm assuming you say try it.
Yep, absolutely. I'll tell you the thing that's probably the most exciting about the way that we deliver our services is we deliver them as a software as a service, right? What's so exciting about cloud is we've been in the cloud business for 20 years. So one of the first propositions that we offer is you don't have to have a capital investment to buy hardware to put into your system and have people manage to them. We actually put everything in the cloud. We deliver 24/7 service across the globe, and we provide free trials for our services, Global Meet and iMeet, for people to try. When you put a great innovative product in someone's hands and allow them to try it, and you have this enormous, fantastic backbone of 20 years of experience, you're setting yourself up to succeed and give somebody, what they ultimately want, which is a seamless, flawless, exciting meeting.
To what extent have you, obviously you've gained as people have become very diverse, they've had company offices all around the world, whether. What would be the best use case that's given you real satisfaction of, we helped that business succeed? Because look at them, they were all fragmented and now they work beautifully.
Well, I'll tell you that probably one of the things that we see is a enormous change in the space is our product iMeet, which is a desktop video collaboration, so that you and I, or up to 15 people, could, as long as you have a camera, whether it's on your desktop, whether it's on your laptop, whether it's on your iPad, to be able to have a one-on-one intimate conversation together. And you can get onto that meeting without a download, right? If you have access to the Wi-Fi, you can get on the web, you can have this meeting. And not only can you and I see each other and have an interview. How about that? You can now have a virtual interview. You can have a team meeting that's a bit more focused and intimate because people are paying attention and not multitasking, right? Those type of that applications are enormous, right? We see it used in the legal side, we see it used in finance, we see it used in marketing and advertising, HR, recruitment. So the applications are endless when you create a service that is easy to use and exciting to use, which is iMeet.
Anything, just out of interest, anything in healthcare yet? Because that would be a huge vertical for you.
Absolutely. I think we see a lot of use cases, hospitals and doctors being able to communicate, family and friends being able to communicate. Anytime that people need to get together in a virtual environment when it is just too hard to get on a plane, too expensive to get on a plane, is where our services come into play.
All right, I'm sold on this. As a people watching, we want to try it. Where do we go? How do we engage? It sounds too good to be true. Let's try it.
Well, as PGI is a global brand, you can absolutely come and visit us at pgi.com or at two of our major product sites, which is globalmeet.com and imeet.com. And we have specific web pages within that site for general consumer use, but for here in the cloud service provider, we've got an entire section dedicated to partners. Our model is actually to sell, especially into the cloud space today, right? We've been in the SaaS business for 20 years. We've now figured out a way to take iMeet and GlobalMeet, which are our SaaS products, and allow customers, or partners that want to offer to their customer base a methodologies we can and do distribution models to allow them to sell them to their customers. So come to our websites, call into our dedicated team of over 40 people. The company has 1,700 employees, but we've got a dedicated team of 40 people that all they do is support partners selling our products to their end customers. Because what's the best part about SaaS today? Or the most important part about SaaS today, you need to have a product that's best in breed. Right? We recently were awarded by Frost & Sullivan the 2012 Product Line Strategy Award. You have to have the best products out there.
Nice.
We've got that, right? You've got to have the best support model. So we also were recently awarded for the 5th consecutive year the Top 50 Channel Partner Program in North America. So partners that are here that are interested to put virtual meetings into their portfolio can have the confidence that they're getting best of breed. So, does that make sense?
That makes perfect sense. Lots of possibilities, it seems to me. So go to pgi.com. Say that Tom sent you and you met him at Cloud Expo via SYS-CON TV. Thanks so much. A delight to connect. Let's follow the story of PGI for the next few years, and thank you for joining us out there on the World Wide Web.